Hey bestie, come with me as I show you how I wash and slice my vegetable for my vegetable soup. I know most of you like slicing your vegetables in the market, but for me, I don't really encourage that because after slicing your vegetable, you have to wash out the grain, you have to wash out the nutrients. So for me, what I normally do, I bring my vegetable home and the next thing I do is to wash it first. Today, I went to the market and I bought my pumpkin leaf. Some people call it ugu in Nigeria, and I also have my water leaf. You can see it in the nylon, so I also bought water leaf. So I'm going to be mixing this to form my vegetable soup. But I'm going to be telling you guys what happened to me today. So I met a customer a long time ago, and she came to my shop because I'm a fashion designer, and she told me that she had an Ankara fabric that will be helping her to sew a particular style. Then we agreed on the price, we agreed on the style that she's going to be sewing with that particular fabric. So along the line, we took her measurements and everything. So she said that when she comes tomorrow, she's going to give me some amount of money as the deposit. We agreed on that. We said, okay, no problem. Since that day, after taking her measurements and everything we discussed about, she vanished. Like she didn't come again until this year. As in, I'm talking about 2023. Since 2023, her fabric has been in my shop and I've been calling her number. She said she will be coming to pick it up, and she said she actually wants to still sew the clothes, that the fabric should still be with me, that she still have me in mind, all this blah 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 blah. I was like, okay, let me just still keep this fabric. So I've been calling her, I've been waiting for her. I didn't see this customer, and the fabric in my shop has been developing this kind of I don't even know, will I say muko or what. So I was like, this fabric, don't you think it's time for me to make use of this fabric? Though it's not for me. So another customer of mine came to my shop and she saw that particular fabric. She was like, I really love this fabric and she would like to have this fabric. So we went to the market and we searched for this fabric. We couldn't see the print, we couldn't see the color, we couldn't see the actual fabric, and the style she brought was actually the same Ankara they used in sewing that style on her phone. It's still the same Ankara in my shop. So she said, can I sell this Ankara to her, that she doesn't mind the price? So I was like, I said this Ankara is 5,000 naira, and she said, don't worry, I can give you 7,000. I was like, wow. I said, okay. I tried calling the owner of the fabric, the customer, and she wasn't picking a call. I can't actually miss this opportunity. I know the fabric is not for me. When I'm going to market the following day, I will try to see if I can get it in the markets where they say wholesales. That is what I was intentionally planning to do the following day. There was a lot of work at that moment, so we're not able to go to the market where they say wholesales to get the fabric at that particular day. So I said, okay, let me just sell this fabric to this particular customer so that we can get a dress done, since the owner of the fabric is not using it yet. So I went ahead, I sold this fabric to this my customer, and we started the process in making a dress. So the style didn't actually take a lot of time. So after getting the dress ready for that my customer, she came and she picked it up, she paid her money, and the deal was off. That same day I decided to go to market was the day the owner of the Ankara came. I was like, what kind of temptation is this? I've not seen this person over how many years now? I think going to 2 years or 3 years now. Eventually she came the particular day I wanted to go to market to replace her fabric. Guys, what kind of trouble is this? What kind of gbege? Oh my god. So since then I've been so sad. I don't know what to tell her. She have been asking of her fabric. I was like, your fabric, we can't find it. I think it's in this shop. I was just giving different kind of excuse. So guys, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. And she bent on having her own Ankara. Following day I went to the market and I searched for this particular Ankara. I didn't see it.
Oh my god.
I was seeing a different color but the same print, but I know she will not be satisfied having a different Ankara. What will I tell her? How will I present a different Ankara to her? My god, it didn't even come to my mind that this Ankara I might not see it again in the market. So guys, please help me out. What should I do? I don't know what I should do. And this lady have been calling me, disturbing me, coming to my shop and be saying a lot of things. Please, I need your advice, guys. Please, what should I do at this point?